So this is by far best sound setting for Modern Warfare 2. The first, search here as sound. Just type sound and it should show you change system sound. Click on that. This will bring you the sound panel. And all you guys will need to do is click on playback. Now from here, you will need to select your headphones. So mine is here on speaker Yeti stereo microphone. So if you have a headphone, then just double click on that and then go to enhancement. And then make sure to check this loudness equalization and simply click on apply, and also go to advanced and make sure to choose this as a DVD, or if you have a studio, then select studio quality and then click on apply. All right, so I have set this to DVD quality. So you can set this to your studio quality if you have studio quality available. And after you have done this, now you should be able to hear footsteps really loud. All right, so that's all. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.